The BEC exam began on Monday, 14 September 2020, with some 531,705 registered candidates taking part. Last week, I brought you a report on the COVID-19 pandemic and its consequential effect on the students and the exam as a whole. Ruby News took its cameras round some parts of Accra to sample views from students and parents concerning the exam. I bring you a report by Esther Kokolawe and Juliet Abana. As I said earlier on, we will have some students to speak to so they share their views about the BEC exams. I have two guys with me, my left and my right, and they'll be sharing their views about how the BEC exams went, if they are really prepared, and then the results they are also expecting. Hello, good evening.
Evening,
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Can you mention your name?
I'm blessed, Sameto.
Blessed. Okay. What school?
From Great Aya School.
Great Aya School. Okay, so did you face any challenges in the BEC exam?
Oh, please, no. During on Monday, when we were about to write the English, I was a bit nervous, but when we started writing it, I didn't find any difficulty in answering any of the questions.
Okay.
I was a bit nervous about the literature, because literature aspects, I sometimes find it tedious reading and understanding it in some way.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I was able to answer all questions on literature aspects.
So what is the result you will be expecting at the end?
The literature, because of the literature, I'll be thinking I'll get 2.
You get
in
2
English, yes.
In English. Oh, I see. He says you get B2 in English because he was kind of really nervous on the first day, but the rest he's expecting to get a good result. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I also have another guy here with me who is also going to share his view about the BEC exams in the hall. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Can you mention your name to your viewers?
My name is Kwame, but most of the time people used to call me Kwame KD General.
Kwame KD General.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I see. So what school?
Aya School.
Aya School.
Great Aya School.
Okay, so did you guys observe the measures put in place for COVID-19?
Yes, please.
I see.
Yeah.
How did the invigilators behave towards you guys?
Yeah, because as we entered, they say we should feel free and then write. But the thing is that we should not be asking ourselves questions, those up and down. Because they say the first day when you are going, you are afraid, you can't write. So we should feel free. They are all free with us, so we can have, let's say, comfortable day and then write something.
But because of the lockdown, you people didn't resume school early.
Yes.
So did you have enough time to study for your BEC exams?
Yeah, we have enough time because after they say we should not stay in school, let's say about 1 hour,
Okay.
which is 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Exactly 1 o'clock, we need to close.
Okay.
And then our teacher also advised us because of that, when we go home, to do extra working on our own. Because our BC was closer to us, we were doing our best, learning as well in the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you really sure you get a good result at the end?
Yeah, as for me, I'm sure of myself.
You're really sure?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you very much. Ma ofa mi ngabo.
Me alone.
Ofa nto yo te.
Yo wadro mo yo jogba.
Ma ofa ni wa ba suma ko ba bibo sanifio kecho me ni ngo nyame me ni ngma pepa e ke bo bi e ni ngma pepa e. Opa wo lo na me ngma na mi jojo mo chomo ye hi. Ametashia besa na ke ameya na me ya ngma wolue. Mi jojo mo ye.
Ah, o fine. Ametashi anfe. Be ne sanita ne sana amengma be eho. Ni bi ane truka na bana ke sana me na me angma. E wa mete ochi enyo da na mengma pepa ni. Wo sole ake yo wa me be na fe ni amedwemo kenile. Be na fe ni na me angma ni na menye na me pass. Ni ka mengma wa megbe na ka me ba me ka batashi. Ameka batashi ehia. Shabe bomonde ko na me kase ni be na fe ni egun ewa me ka me te secondary school e. Ndwemo kenile ni. Oradon.
Maso wa bibo akeshi. Ko kwe egba amena ye wolue na me ya ngma e.
E ba gba amena. Se na ka ba ngma ko ha obi aya ngma eko e. Ba fe to mo fitegbe ken wo se. No e wo ni wonye wo force ake. Esani enye ne ya ngma.
Miniji nga wo no ke ba ha gbe ke bi e me ni yo hwe ake me ni amengma afen
Nga woni ke ba ha meji. Shifo ke ni bi amefon. Ka meta bi ameta shi. Mete bi e ko me ko ke ta shi ta. O ke fe mo ne ke fe ke je chele pa meyi ma mi. E wo follow ele hunwe. Wo pomode ko ni wo wa mi. Ni wo nye wo mo ma me wo tata e wo ma se bi na afia me ko shin la ke ni bi ko ma aka ya ba.
ofa ne orado ni wa jo ma mi ofa ne mi nga bo ke bari biti
Hello, no, be you, to your thing.
ofa ye ojo gba ni mo dromo ma mi ofa ne wo smo akwa ba bi bosa no fio kecho obi e ke mi nyemi me ni nma wo lo e
Me and Jamoji, you are the mommy. Ya ke ne ka ila na ni ba ne ba gba wo fen wo na san. Ni ametashia eche. Ba fe aka ochie nyomi ni na ka me ba kase ni fifi. So le aka mo den cha do mommy ami. Ko le wa me. Na me nya me pass exams na afio ni akashi ni kase mo wa. No ba tashia afi baba o nyoji baba o no o kase ni. Wana ke ame bon ni ngo mi na wa ake ni solid pan lo fa le du me amenye ame pass exams ni ya keshi ewa wa dente
ma ko kwe ne wolo ne ni amengma ko kwa me ba na agba ko ye mi alo
o na gba le pi me na ba na gba pi si o wa dente won fo won che akeshi e ko paper na me anma ngene ni ekole amekase ehu na me bo ene 2 weeks pe ewo me kwen na me dwemo be na kan jeme shi mi sole mi pa ngo fa ke ngo ha na me chona kan wolo ne na mba ngma ne na me fe ame pass yesu gba
ma ofa ne wo to do bia mi nga wo o ke ba ha gbe ke bi e me ni nma ke me ni yo hwe afen
ni yo shia wo problem di me ni yo shia lo kula gba wona ya ke shikwen sani kwen na agbele ne agbele bibi ehun kaje class 1 bi e agbele ame ka keji bi e po ye shia kaje class 1 bi e sana nya agbele ame ona bo ni o ya ke shi ame bo kotun bedo ba na me ne obi e bedo ba na me ne obi e ke ni bi fonji fe mo e wo kun mi ko me to shishinu mo ji kwen na agbele e sana nya agbele ame fin keke no fe no fe fine ona ke no fe no fe fine agbene no ni kwa shi se peji many ngma yo anyumbo awa mi amemi amehi wole akeneke no ko ba ti wono truka mi wo amemi amehi na me ngma ni me ko he ho ekeni bi ko me shi lo fiteko wonu ameni yo ambanye na me ngma ka me ngma na me gbe na be na ba ke e ba she esese afọ mami me ba wa ko na me cha me
ofa ne orado e ojo gba
Fine.
meta ma bi bo akeshi hwe na oyo engo na
Oh, engoy na cry. Engoy na.
egbo na akoye hwe alo
Egboy na wa denche.
mini jojo mo ye hwe na oyo e
Oh, injwe money yo shani yo here. Because beke ko e bi antene na kele ya wo school gbem. E banye fite ambanya ameya nuko ke na me fite. So ambanya me fite krampuni e ko men krampuna me she classes crown na anga. Ambanya ame mamina shika e wo. Ambanya me ya pregnant amehi.
so mini ojo akeshi mini otawni government e africa wa
Oh, mi ke na noni government e ba fian wo. Egbele school gbe ni wo fe classes. Ka ona safe corona safety protocol se wo ba ni wo di ni ojugba. Ni ka ona teachers ni ba nu wo shishin fine. Tumo ona girl ni yo SSA ni coffee san ete ame ya ka me teachers e fu ame da girl legbo sani amenu washishi ni wo hu wo banye wo refer ti ni wo banye wo keno ni wo sumo ye wo twimi kan o ni mo ke animal kele thing. The kingdom of God is for children so na
yeah
it can your Bible so onu shishi to mo make Adam even what he more than them.
No, Tony. Eshwaboko meto nkwe. Tony teacher say amekanya inshi tomobeni nyeke chebi ba inshi. Bele feni no feni ba wi amebonye to any ame relate to nye as their children. Ni nyenye kaseni but you want to go back to school as classes. Kashi be ni government there. Bag bele dey na kauta no.
Fine.
Orado. Good morning.
Morning, madam.
Apome.
Ihoadum.
Ahwande wo.
Let's say Adia Chin. I wonder.
Me patrol due to COVID no. Ya man kwala na tene fie saa sisi a omo ba omo tro paper no wadwen twene se wo ho.
Oh, me 2 minutes then ke hadwin kakra. Because I current to me 3 months. No 50 preko pen say wo ko chron so hwe de. Me 2 minutes entwe yi kura.
Nti me patrol ugidi se nkwala no omo aboa omo yie ama ntroye ya omo ba be ye ya na.
Oh, ono de metumi a che sebi won so obi o a oni bi. A obefa teachers ana say extra classes ni bi obi o oni bi. Nti san krofo ndan na misum omo. Skafo ma de bia obetumi afa teacher ni so on be kire ma de that kind of thing. Yeah. But one mom ni bi de na misum omo. Ko enye easy mom sa. Ko ntumi tena fi be 3 months o fiti preko pese. Nko transfer hwe de. Debi we de enko yi.
Nti me patrol se e ka wadwen twen kwa anka den na osusu se anka ye nye mfa ho.
Oh, me madwin kire ne san kanka mu san kobe 1 month bi. Sa komu niam dada mo sua mu sa kobe 1 month bi. Na mo tumi say o ma refresh o madwin ansa no mo kode a me tumi dan ka okay. O fiti preko pese o ko chon so hwe de. Atile fie be 3 months konko na say empty.
Nti ugidi se ye nkole ya omo etro pepe yi ohwa say na omo bepie omo results na ebe ko ne say.
Oh, obi mu ho a wo menya. Obi wo ho a obedi agrosa so ade san ko sua de. Obi mu so wo de jimi pa. Nti obi mu do menya papa ne bi aba. Obi mu so de enkoye mom to me. Yeah.
Edase.
Yeah, Miss Mudas.
Madam, apom to say.
Eso adumo na so.
Madam, we dey pese mi sa wasem kakra bi efa school nkola na omo tro paper no ho. On say omo tene fie sa be se 3 months ni. And then draw omo start so omo tro paper. Wa dey interest e wo ho ne say.
Oh. Actually, what I can say is that they are the best group, but they should have passed more because normally, no, yeah, time, teacher crack, be at 3 months to 4 months, I bet you exams, they don't mind is, but on my catcher is a young cassa, revision, yeah. So I think that they are the best group, but they should have passed more.
Nti me patrol. Dey na sisi a e puto be na e ka nkwa nka omo a mbo fie na omo so afi na omo ba be ko school no. E puto be na odbe ma.
What I can say is say they shouldn't take it for granted. Say say they should take their books. Anything that they knew it will help them. No, they should work towards it, and then it can also help them.
Nti madam advice be na odbe ma. Ana say o request be na odbe ma your president ana so obi a wo hwe o. Oh so onye mfa mbo ankola no mo fie na na so
Oh, my request for say Obebwa youth and as nkwala amu fie ni say at least amu fie no any institution biara akwala betimi capture something in it we should help them out no push obi they shouldn't sit in the house for granted.
Ona we ba ye hu say school nkola any other people e we tre ha say so is it that say who e sheda na e from na wo trauma na say this is what you do.
Actually, this is what I do for living. And I'm parents, the buy because I'm ko baby no e bi classes in Nubwe. Obi so work classes and no power point 12. And no obe point 12 o'clock no betimi aba ha. Abesua ade be 4 hours 6 o'clock na yapon. E bi so wo ba anopa no nti about 2 na omo classes. Nti omo parents no buy.
Thank you very much. Juliet Abana and Esther Kokola were report for Ribi News, Accra.